What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Kyosho USA-1. Perfect. But what I did with the battery tray on this one, as you see, if you know the car already, what I did was extend the battery tray so you could fit a full-size 4S battery in it. No, it actually pushed it in, but yeah, you can fit a 4S battery in there. But only problem is if you put a 4S battery in one side, you're gonna have the weight, you know, it's gonna be like that. But some things in here need to be upgraded, should be upgraded. You got a plastic spur gear, but it's driven by a chain. This is all factory, nothing's changed. The gear didn't change, I didn't change nothing in this car. And I had a hard time finding parts for this thing, man. I had a hard time finding parts for this. I was hunting. Yeah, I done put the 4S battery in here, because I told you I fixed it up. Yeah, that's how the 4S battery fit. It's lopsided. It is lopsided. You know, there's a lot of weight gonna be on that side. So I'm gonna see how that works. I think I need to put another battery in there. This made this shit heavy. So gonna see how this gonna work. See how it's gonna play out. Battery is in there pretty good, just to let y'all see. It's in there pretty good. You got some stretch on it where it could pop out the bottom. It's best if you do this setup, throw some zip ties on there. If you're gonna do some heavy bashing. Let y'all check this out. We got white lights in the front and red in the back. Oh yeah, that got a lot of power. I should turn that down. Oh, yeah, I got messed with the yeah, it's definitely lopsided, man. This thing has no problem with Williams. Yeah, I ain't had this out in years, man. Yeah, that thing is leaning hard. This thing is stable for a monster truck. I'm gonna turn it up a little more. And these tires, like when they was flat spotted for a minute, but I fixed that. No! This is a fresh body, that's why I was all excited, man. Yeah, his body was perfect at one point in time. This is full power right here. Yeah, this thing ain't no joke, man. This thing got some power. Whoa. Definitely got some power. Got some punch in its trunk. Understood. Oh, God. Usually stuff slide back here. For some reason, this one will flip over. But you gotta remember these monster tires, they actually grip more than normal. just gotta be careful with this body, man. It's a beautiful body right here. Beautiful body. I was gonna try sideways. I should have brought my other body. Yeah, but this car, man, and to be honest with you, the only thing broke on this car throughout my years was the shocks, and that was from a bad crash. Like this ain't still a pure beast. Just gotta be careful. Didn't have to change anything on here, but what needs to be changed is this servo. Servo is very weak. Why is it wobbling like it got a gyro hook to it? Yo, this thing is a pure monster. I mean, but for it to be a monster truck, should have made it a little more sturdier. You tell people this is a monster truck, they think you can do crazy stuff with it. Which you can, you really can. Y'all might think I'm driving it hard, but I'm not driving as hard as I would normally do. Cause it kind of, it topples over easy. Said I wasn't gonna jump this, which I should have stuck to that, man. That really pissed me off. Only thing with this, if I jump this, that battery gonna have an effect on it, right? So what it's gonna do, the battery is going to sway it to one side a little more, but I could be wrong. Yeah, my camera is getting a little toasty here. Need the where is it? That's that side right there. Yeah. I'm don't want to take it on no major hard jump anyway. That's why I'm doing it, taking it so light. Perfect. Kind of getting on my nerves going light like that, but it feels like it do have good air control. Perfect. So it's not really nothing to worry about. I wanted to do my LMT too, man. Things don't always work out. I done scratched the roof. Am I angry or what? But see, you can't blame nobody but yourself because you shouldn't have did it. That's the only thing. Perfect. Hey, she was high that time. See what I'm saying? The air control is right there. Perfect. That's as good as I'm gonna get with this. I'm not gonna go too hard on the jumps. It is well controlled. I do give it that much. Not to mention, I just fixed this not too long ago, and the parts were perfect. Front flip. As I was saying, I fixed this not too long ago. I don't know why this cut off and lost complete power, but we shall see. Oh, there we go. It got ate up. See the thing, that was my fault in the pin because it's flapping around. It's flapping around. That's why I did that little stall thing right there. I could fix that, but I definitely ain't fixing it today. So, scratch my body up. If I wanted to bring this thing out today, just bring back some of the older RC cars, not too old, but older RC cars nobody talks about, nobody runs. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Let me know if you want to see this car again. I will fix that and put it right back out. Do a side-by-side running with my Losi LMT. So that's what I really wanted to do with this. Do a nice little run video with the LMT and the shocks done dropped in the back. I wanted to do a video with that, man. That would have been a nice fun video. But yeah, just let me know in the comments if you want to see that. And I'm out.